In this video, I'll show you how you can refund games on the Epic Games Store. Now this is really simple, guys. What you want to do is head over to epicgames.com/account/transactions, and in here you will be able to see your purchases. Now I only have the free Rocket League purchase, so obviously there's no refund on that one. But if you bought a game that is eligible for a refund, some games will say non-refundable, then you cannot refund them. But if it's a refundable game, it will show up here and you can click on the drop down menu for it and you will be able to press on the refund button. Now once you do that, you're gonna request for a refund and then they will refund it after some time. So that's basically how it works, guys. It's really easy. You just want to head over to epicgames.com/account/transactions and make sure your game is a refundable game. It will usually tell you when you buy the game if it's refundable or not, so just check that out before you buy. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.